project here I want to get started on. There she is. That's about it. That's for the damage right there. I drove it 2 hours and no, 3 hours, my bad, or more. That tire right there was flat. So I inflated it. Drove it all the way back. There's to be no damage. To the rest of the truck. It's just that. And never done this before, but I'm gonna go ahead and make videos about it. That's how it came in. Just like that. It's not that bad, it's not horrible. It's a little bit of dirt right there. I'll figure out how to clean that. It says hung up. Not too bad. Seats are good. It is high mileage. 178 I think, or 75. It's a Z71. This is gonna be my first video of a series of video. I'm gonna go ahead and fix this whole thing up. We can already see that the seat belts and the airbag deployed. Not too bad. Let's see. Yeah, they basically get locked up. And that's how you get, I don't know, some type of burn on your neck. This one's locked up, I think. It's supposed to. But I don't know if this is a 2-stage or a single stage yet. That's the back. It's not bad. It could be better, but just need some washing. I haven't even washed it. I haven't even touched the truck. Like I said, I want to go ahead and make a whole series of videos. Or try to, you know. A lot of people might not be interested, but I'm sure some of you guys are. The rest of the truck looks great. It seems like, not this side, but the other side has been redone. The rest of the truck seems to be original. Yep. Yep. Not bad. Not a bad little truck. Because there's this bin number right there I was looking for, but it's right there. And the seat has this there, the airbag, so we have a few lights, obviously. The tire, well, I just put the tire on, so the engine oil, tire monitor, the airbag light stays on, and the check engine light stays on. I know AC works. I used it all the whole drive. The windshield is cracked. I'm going to go ahead and try and get that repaired too, which obviously when you start to do this type of videos, you don't even think about it, but it actually takes a good amount of money, and that's the issue. Let me see. I've been trying to figure out how to turn on the fog lights. I think that's it. Now these are the low beams, park lights. Oh, that's how you turn them on. You press the damn thing. Okay, I didn't know that. Well, might as well try them and see what works on it. I know it turns on. It says hood open, but the hood is not open. And more than likely it's gonna be the down sensor. Or did I pop the hood? Yeah, I think I popped the hood. Yeah, I did. My bad. It seems to be running good. It's quiet. and it ran great all the way 3 hours. Obviously this is a headlight bracket, it's broken, but this stayed pretty good. It looks like it moved a little bit, but we'll get to it soon. We're gonna need one of these. This is what we'll get a check engine light for. Bumper, this lower balance or whatever, and the whole grill, which the grill kind of sucks to find because it's color matched, and I found one, but it's pretty expensive. The airbags, I'm gonna get an airbag, and the seat belts, I think I'm gonna get them redone. This whole section right here is gonna need the brackets. Let's check out the fog lights. Let's see if they work. Okay. Well, the fog lights work. I know the headlights work too, because I had to drive at night. So yeah, we're gonna have to put the whole thing apart. This thing is pushed back a little bit. Good thing it wasn't leaking. I'm kind of glad it wasn't leaking. I'm kind of glad this is not broken either. Put all that back together. I kind of smelled coolant before. I'm not sure if it's leaking, but we'll find out. And more than likely, this is somebody's truck, and this in this video, because I looked it up and it seemed like to be a local truck. And there's a steering wheel thing. They cut this up already. And yeah, this whole part gets replaced. Hopefully we can reset the light. If not, we're gonna have to replace the module. Yeah, not a bad little truck at all. I think you'll need an oil change. Somebody will get in them at the wrong spot. Yeah. But we'll get it done. Get it running. It's a pretty nice truck. But yeah, this is basically the introduction to a build video, or whatever you want to call it. Normally I don't do them. I just do my work or just sell them like this. But since I've been wanting to do one, I'll do that. This one I bought like this, and I think I'm just gonna try to pull that. If not, just sell it. Because time, remember, you need time to do this type of jobs. Yeah, see, that works. Well, this one don't work, but you need time to do this type of jobs, and honestly, that's something I don't have, because sadly I do have another job. I work every time, every day. So yeah, sounds super quiet, really nice. These engines always come up pretty good, and it shifted fine. Everything was good, and like I said, I'm ready to go ahead and get started on it. I'm going to go ahead and tear some parts, take some pieces apart, like this thing. Look at this. This is the part that shoots down, and it pulls the whole seatbelt, locks it up. So more than likely it's a dual stage. So I gotta send them to get done. I've never done that, like I said. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get started on that. It's kind of hard to record and everything, so I'm gonna try to record and then edit videos, which I have no idea how to do. And you guys gonna see this. I might repeat stuff, I don't know, but I think it's pretty entertaining to do this type of work. Yeah, look at the lights that are on. 175,000 miles on it. Yeah, I'll get to it, and hopefully by the next video you guys see this whole thing, this whole process of how to take this apart. My uncle that has done this, so I'm just gonna ask. I mean, I know it's not complicated or anything, but I'll probably end up doing it at his house, since he likes to work on these things too. So we'll get to working on it, put it apart, and bring up a video, you know, like a better video, better than this at least. I know it's a shitty video, but it's the first video, one of many that probably a lot of people are not gonna watch, but that's how you start, I guess. But yeah, let's get this done and out of the way, I guess. I don't know if I'll sell it or not. We'll find out. Gotta go ahead and start making a list of parts to order. You guys probably won't see none of that. By the time you guys see it, it's gonna be me taking it apart.